What is the right way to deal with people who snub or ignore you even if you've been respectful towards them? Maybe you've been in a situation wherein you're so excited to meet someone, so you show them enthusiasm and respect only to be met with snobbery, or you just don't get the warm reception that you were expecting. It's normal to feel slighted, but before you take it too personally, try to give them the benefit of the doubt. Maybe something's bothering them. Maybe they're not feeling so good that day, so unconsciously, it's affecting their behavior and how they relate towards others. But what if this behavior happens again and again? You meet this person, you're pleasant towards them, and they ignore you, or worse, they give you mean girl energy. Pag kilala mo yung tao, kunwari friend mo or nakatrabaho mo, and then you notice meron ngang shift in the behavior, suddenly they're snobbing you, they're ignoring you, di ba? Dahil kakilala mo, madali lang silang i-approach, tapos you can ask them what's wrong. I think that's a mature and the adult way to handle it. Pero paano pag hindi kayo close? You may be acquaintances, and you feel like the snobbery or the mean girl energy is uncalled for. Even if it's tempting to return the energy that they're giving you, just let it go. Lalo na kung hindi ka naman pinapakain ng taong yan, kung wala naman siyang contribution sa buhay mo. You have to remember, while it can feel unfair to be on the receiving end of such treatment, if you don't have any bad intentions towards them, if respectful ka naman sa kanila, and they choose to be mean towards you, then that's on them, not you. Basta ang importante, ikaw marunong kang umintindi, marunong kang maging respectful, and you know how to adjust your social skills. At the end of the day, it's your self-awareness and how you choose to respond to these behaviors with class that will set you apart.